Ooh.
Look.
I see you.
Oh. Look, this one.
It's mean.
Yeah.
Mhm. Ow. That's pretty cool.
Hi, buddy. Don't go over there. Come over here. I'm going to set you up on this log. My mama's going to fish. All right? I'm going to put you up here. You do that?
Think we can get right there?
Okay.
But Uncle put you over.
No.
No, don't you? Well, okay. I guess you can bend down. That's fine.
He wants to get up on this one.
Oh, all right. Whichever. You can do both of them.